What if one tiny gadget could fix a daily frustration you didn't even realize was draining you? Today, I'm revealing clever tech and fun accessories that upgrade your routine instantly. You'll see what's worth it and why. If something clicks, grab it through the links below and enjoy the upgrade. The number 5 product on our list is Germ Geek Keyboard. Your keyboard may be dirtier than a public restroom, and you touch it every single day. That's the uncomfortable truth. We sanitize our phones, we wipe our desks, but the keyboard? It collects crumbs, oils, bacteria, and dust deep between the keys. Enter the Germ Geek Keyboard. This isn't just another typing accessory. It's built with hygiene in mind. Smooth, easy-to-clean surfaces, spill-resistant design. Some models even feature antimicrobial materials. Real-world benefit? Quick wipe? Done. No prying off sticky keys, no trapped debris. Typing feel matters too. Keys are responsive and quiet enough for office setups or late-night sessions. It balances practicality with comfort. Now, compared to a standard mechanical keyboard, yes, you might sacrifice that heavy tactile click, but you gain something more practical, low maintenance and peace of mind. Who should consider it? Office workers, students, shared workspace users, anyone tired of grimy buildup. Downside, fewer customization options than high-end gaming keyboards. But if cleanliness, simplicity, and everyday durability rank high for you, this keyboard feels like a fresh start for your desk. At number 4, we have Eilik's Portable Mini Projector. Most people don't realize how small their entertainment world has become, trapped inside a 6-inch phone screen. That's the real problem. We stream movies, we save travel memories, we plan cozy nights. Yet everything stays compressed inside a display built for texting. Here's where the Mini Projector for iPhone, shifts the experience. It's compact, lightweight, travel-friendly, but the impact feels surprisingly big. Setup is simple. Connect your iPhone, adjust focus. Instantly, your wall transforms into a personal cinema. Dorm room, bedroom ceiling, backyard movie night. It adapts. Brightness is solid for dark environments. Not built for sunlit afternoons. Keep expectations realistic. Built-in speakers work fine for casual viewing, though pairing a Bluetooth speaker elevates it. Compared to bulkier home theater projectors, this portable projector trades ultra-high lumens for convenience and mobility. That's the exchange. Who should buy it? Students, travelers, couples craving movie nights without a TV, minimalists who value space. It doesn't just project videos. It expands moments without expanding your budget. The third product on the list is Banana Phone. Sometimes the most serious problem in modern life is that everything feels too serious. Endless notifications, identical smartphones, zero personality. That's where the Banana Phone flips the mood instantly. At first glance, it's playful. A bright yellow Bluetooth handset shaped like a banana. But look deeper. It pairs with your smartphone and works as a wireless receiver. Take calls, trigger voice assistants, talk hands-free without pressing a glass screen to your face. Real-world benefit? Cleaner calls, fewer smudges, a conversation starter everywhere you go. Audio clarity is surprisingly solid for a novelty Bluetooth phone. Battery life holds up for daily use. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and undeniably fun. Now, compared to a standard Bluetooth headset, it's bulkier, not discreet, and definitely not for ultra-professional meetings. On number 2 is Eilik Robot. Loneliness doesn't always announce itself. It quietly sits on your desk while you scroll. That's the space the Eilik Robot steps into. At first glance, it's a tiny animated companion, but give it a minute. Eilik Robot reacts to touch. It shows emotions on its expressive digital face. Tap its head, it giggles. Shake the table, it gets dizzy. Place 2 together, they interact like curious little beings. Here's the real-world problem. Most desk gadgets are lifeless, decorative, forgettable. Eilik changes that. It brings movement, personality, a surprising sense of presence during long work hours. Now let's be realistic. It's not an AI assistant like a smart speaker. It won't manage your calendar or answer complex questions. Battery life requires regular charging. And yes, it's more emotional companion than productivity tool. Compared to static desk toys or basic digital pets, Eilik feels alive. Who should buy it?
Creators, remote workers, gift hunters, anyone craving a spark of joy on their workspace. Sometimes a little robot doesn't solve tasks. It simply makes the hours feel lighter, and that matters.
Now moving to the last one is... The average person spends days each year searching for lost items, and most of that stress happens when you're already late. Keys vanish, wallet disappears, backpack nowhere in sight. Panic follows. That's where Life 360 Tile changes the rhythm of your morning. This Bluetooth tracker pairs with the Life 360 app, letting you ring your misplaced items or view their last known location on a map. Tap your phone, hear the chime. Problem contained. Real-world impact? Less chaos before work, fewer arguments at home, more calm when schedules are tight. Setup is quick. Attach it to keys, slide it into a wallet, drop it in a travel bag. Battery life is solid, and replacing it is simple depending on the model. Compared to other trackers like Apple exclusive options, Life 360 Tile works across broader devices, which adds flexibility. Downside? Bluetooth range has limits, and premium features may require a subscription.
And that's today's Tech Gem. If this gadget sparked your curiosity or solved a problem you've been dealing with, check the links in the description and explore it for yourself. On this channel, we don't chase hype, we test value. Real gadgets, honest insights, smart upgrades for everyday life. If you enjoy discovering tech before everyone else does, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss what's next. Because the right gadget doesn't just sit on your desk, it changes how you live with technology. I'll see you in the next one.